I need to get a snack, dude. I'm hungry. Oh wow, my worst nightmare. Well, time to go to the gas station. Hey, can I come? Sure, since you're here. Oh, we could just go to the vending machine. Yes, let's go to there. Alright, I'm gonna get spicy chips. What do you want? Just anything. Alright. Where's my quarter? Alright, in you go. Just gonna wait here. So, weather's nice. Yep. Okay, I think it's stuck. Yeah, it's definitely stuck. It's we need something good, like a hammer. Yeah, a hammer. Let's go. Here goes nothing. Oh, bro, that really broke? Okay, a baseball bat. Yeah. Oh. I didn't think it'd have to come down to this. Vending machine, I loved you. But your efforts have failed. You're a loser. Where did he go? What? How did it... I mean, that's more than we wanted. But I mean, hey, we got the whole vending machine. Like, yeah, But oh dang, I need to start bagging this stuff. I did not prepare.